time now for Retire Right KC. I'm here with Alan Becker, founder and president of Retirement Solutions Group. Now, this is a question, Alan, I know you get a lot. Have I saved enough to retire? And it's something people want to know. How do you help them find out?
Yeah, at Retirement Solutions Group, we use our proprietary process. We sit people down and we ask them a lot of questions, right? Like when you go to the doctor, you can't just say, hey, doc, it hurts. And when the doc says where, you're going to say, I'm not going to tell you, you figure it out. That doesn't work well. You've got to come in, kind of bare your soul. Here's all my stuff. Here's my statements. Here's what I'm concerned with. And then we can go back and kind of recreate the situation and figure out. But here's the real thing, guys. It is not a magic number. There's no silver bullet, okay? It's more about cash flow. So, for example, if you saved $1 million in retirement and you were at 5%, that's $50,000 a year. But if you were at 4%, that's $40,000 a year. So what I'm saying is if we can get a better rate of return, especially consistent, reliable, and hopefully guaranteed, usually we have to use insurance products for that based on claims paying ability, but there are ways to create income in retirement. So instead of thinking, have I saved enough, let's go through the process and figure out what you need in retirement, and let's work with that.
And then you can get that answer. Yes, have I saved enough or not? All right. So, Alan, on that note, you brought a great resource that touches on saving, cash flow, income. Tell us about this.
Yeah, I have a phenomenal team over at Retirement Solutions Group. They've put together the toolkit with my book as a centerpiece, Return on Investment or Reliability of Income, the True Meaning of ROI in the Golden Years. It's in its second print, full of guides and resources also in this toolkit that you need to use to get ready for your retirement.
You can receive it today, complimentary. Get that toolkit by calling, clicking, or you can text or use the QR code, and the team will get that right out to you. And we'll see you next week for Retire Right KC.